Good morning. Welcome you all to our EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Today we will discuss daily MCQs and one static GK briefly. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Welcome back to EduGuru Daily Current Affairs 23 April 2020. Today we will discuss some MCQs and static GK also. So here is the first question. Who launched COVID India Seva to establish direct channel of communication with millions amid the pandemic? Answer is Harshavardhan. He is the Minister of Family and Welfare Health Minister. RBI reappointed as MD and CEO of City Union Bank for 3 years with effect from 1st May 2020. N. Kamakodi is reappointed as MD and CEO of City Union Bank for 3 years with effect from 1st May 2020. Karnataka Higher Education Department has launched a new application and website called Get Set Go. Get Set Go application launched by Karnataka Higher Education Department. Which central government organization will conduct telephonic survey to gather feedback from pupil prevalence and distribution of COVID-19? Answer: NIC, National Informatics Center. It is a telephonical survey and citizens will get calls on their mobile phones by NIC by the number 1921. RBI has revised the limit for ways and means advances for the remaining part of the first half of financial year 21 to how many lakh crores? Answer: 2 lakh crore. Who is the author of the book titled How the Onions Got Its Layers? Answer: Sudha Murthy. What is the rank of India World Press Freedom Index 2020? Answer: 142. Reporters Without Borders. According to this, India at 142nd rank out of 180 countries. 180th position is North Korea. Which bank launched voice banking services on Amazon Alexa Google Assistant? Answer: ICICI Bank. Facebook has bought a stake worth how much percent in Reliance Jio for 43,574 crore in foreign direct investment? Answer: 9.9 percentage. Which country has successfully launched its first military satellite vehicle into orbit? Answer: Iran. Iran launched its first military satellite into the orbit. The orbit and the satellite name Noor. Noor satellite put successfully into the orbit at an altitude of 425 kilometers. Which state has launched Chief Minister COVID-19 Yodha Kalyan Yojana to benefit Anganwadi workers and assistants? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh government launched this Yojana, Chief Minister COVID-19 Yodha Kalyan Yojana, for the benefit of Anganwadi workers and assistants. These are all MCQs. Now we will discuss some important days and themes of April month. So 1st April, Utkal Divas, also called as Orissa Day. 2nd April, World Autism Awareness Day. Theme is Assistive Technologies, Active Participation. 4th April, International Day for Mine Awareness. Theme is Safe Ground, Safe Home. 5th April, National Maritime Day. Theme is Indian Ocean, an ocean of opportunity. 7th April, World Health Day. Theme is Universal Health Coverage, everyone, everywhere. 10th April, World Homeopathy Day. 11th April, National Safe Motherhood Day. Theme, Midwives for Mothers. 17th April, World Hemophilia Day. Theme is Outreach and Identification. 18th April, World Heritage Day. Theme is Rural Landscapes. Yeah, these are all important days and themes of April month up to 18th. Yesterday we discussed already about GDP growth rate projected by different organizations for the financial year 2020-21. Let's see. State Bank of India projected 1.1% GDP growth rate. World Bank 1.5% to 2.8%. S&P Fitch Solutions 1.8%. International Monetary Fund 1.9%. ICRA 2%. Moody's 2.5%. CRISIL 3.5%. ADB 4%. UN 4.8%. We will discuss headquarters, organizations. UNO, headquarters, New York, head Antonio Guterres, establishment year 1945. UNICEF, headquarters, New York, head Henrietta H. Fore, establishment year 1945. World Bank, headquarters, Washington DC, head David Malpass, establishment year 1944. IMF, International Monetary Fund, headquarters Washington DC, head Kristalina Georgieva, establishment year 1945. UNESCO, headquarters Paris, France, head André Azoulay, establishment year 1945. OECD, Paris, France, head Jose Angel Gurria, establishment year 1960. IAEA, Vienna, Austria, head Rafael Grossi, establishment year 1957. OPEC, Vienna, Austria, head Mohamed Barkindo, establishment year 1960. Food Agricultural Organization, FAO, headquarters Rome, Italy, head Q Dongyu, establishment year 1945. ICJ, International Court of Justice, headquarters The Hague, the Netherlands, head Abdul Qawi Yusuf, establishment year 1945. These are all the today's daily current affairs. Thank you. Jai Hind. If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.